क्या खूब सजे हैं
مولاي صل وسلم دائما خلقي كلهم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير لهم يا خير من يمم العفون ساحته سعيا وفوق متون الأينوق الرسوم ومن هو الآية الكبرى لمعتبر ومن هو النعمة العظمى لمغتنم مولاي صل وسلم It's not loud enough, come on. على That's better. خير الخلق كلهم ساريت من حرام ليلا إلى حرام كما سار البدر في داج من الظلام from sanctum to sanctum you had made the trip overnight just as the moon makes the trip through darkness nocturnally وبت ترقى إلى أن نلت منزلة من قاب قوسين لم تدرك ولم ترمي You spent the night rising up until you had reached a place a length of 2 bows not gained or sought in all history مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم وقدمتك جميع الأنبياء بها والرسل تقديم مخدوم على خاتمي and all the prophets and messengers had put you ahead just as the served over servants has the priority وأنت تخترق السبع الطباق بهم في موكب كنت فيه صاحب العالم as you proceeded through all the 7 levels with them in a procession you were the banner bearer to see مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على خير الخلق كلهم until you had left no goal for the ambitious in hope of closeness nor height for someone seeking ascendancy you humbled all ranks by annexation you were addressed like unannexed proper noun with singular peculiar dignity, so that you triumph with a connection oh so concealed from eyes and day, secret oh so shrouded in mystery, so you obtained every glory, no one else joining you, and you surpassed all alone, unchallenged every degree, the measure of stations you were granted, what majesty, attaining the blessings you were given, what rarity. بشرى لنا معشر الإسلام إن لنا من العناية ركنا غير منهدم. Great news for us, people of Islam, indeed we possess a pillar of special care, erected unbreakably لما دعا الله داعينا لطاعته بأكرم الرسل كنا أكرم الأمم. And since Allah called the one who called us to serving him the greatest prophet, we are the greatest community. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم.
محمد زينة الدنيا وبهجتها محمد